Hello there, how you doing? I'm out today, I'm doing another test with these TID radios, these TID Walkie Talkies. So I'm out paddling with the boys. One of them's over there. Can you hear me?
Unfortunately, so.
Cheeky sod, isn't he? Cheeky sod. So what I'll do is at some point, I'll get a bit of distance and then we'll see what they're like on the water. Right, so John's making his way down the canal a bit so we can just test out these walkie talkies with a little bit of distance on the water. They're supposed to have a range of about 3 kilometres, I think it is. If I've got that wrong, I'll put it on the screen. So he's kind of disappearing out of sight now. I'd say he's about 50 yards down. Not 50, sorry. 300. I don't know where I got 50 from.
Try and navigate my way around this floating island.
You can do it, John, you can do it. So as you can see, he's no longer in view. Don't know how far he's got. I do really like these compared to my other ones, the ones that I use when I'm out with Ains on our car camping trips. They're really lightweight, but that's a reflection of the battery difference too. So the battery life in the other ones I've got, I can't remember the name, Retivis, they last for about 5 days. They last about 5 days, whereas these, I can't remember, I'll put it on the screen. I think it's so many hours in standby.
Have you lost me already?
No, I haven't lost you, I was just yammering at the camera. So he's actually gone now, we can't see him, he's got his e-fin in, so he's able to just set off.
Hello, can you still hear me?
Yeah, can still hear you.
You didn't realise you were out for the
That's good.
I picked up a friend.
I think he's almost at the... Are you almost at the next bridge?
I'm on the Trent.
I'm on the Trent. Ah, there he is, he's just coming to view. So yeah, he's about 500 yards down there. So you're about 500 yards away.
Yeah, 500-600.
And that's not bad, I mean it's clear as a bell.
Yeah, I can hear you fine.
Unfortunately, did you say then?
I did let go of the trigger first, yeah.
So yeah, these are pretty good. Right, so John is through the tunnel there, right at the far end. Come in, John, can you hear me?
Sure can.
So yeah, that's not bad, that's through a tunnel. I'm just testing, I'm just doing a bit more for the video.
Yep, loud and clear.
Good stuff, cheers. Pretty good, isn't it? I quite enjoy these. We've had a bit of fun with these on the water today, oddly enough, because like when when John was going past a fisherman, I was right in front of him and further down, so I started saying bad things about fishermen on here. Right, say that again, I've just turned the camera on.
Rough paddling reporting to Morgan Just Cleaner.
Yeah, I can still hear you. I'm not quite... Whereabouts are you now?
The tunnel.
You're still at the tunnel?
He's just come out of it.
Right, okay, so we're actually now, I don't know, about half a mile down the canal.
And I've still got you quite clear, so that's working well.
Yeah, it's not bad, not bad. So we've paddled about half a mile and yeah, they're still at the tunnel and still picking it up, so I'm quite chuffed with that.
It's quite breezy where I am at the moment. Can you get any wind noise?
This is the fun stuff about doing this. Yeah, but it just sounds like interference. You might be getting a bit from me because we're at a bit of a distance. But yeah, they're working well, is the point.